property company in Nigeria. Because of Oyomi Fabiyi's antecedents, being an actor and a great human rights activist, the company is pleased and have the instruction of the CEO of Foluke Properties, Chief Adelani Kazeem, the Ogala Wasimi Alafia of Ogun State, to officially announce Oyomi Fabiyi as the company's brand ambassador. And I'm sure that Oyomi Fabiyi will be very glad hearing the good news. We are here to make Oyomi Fabiyi happy. Yeah, so much. And to do this, I would like to call on the person of Foluke Daramola, who also is one of the company's brand ambassadors. Foluke Daramola, you are welcome. Additionally, also Shola Toko, a friend of the house too, you are very much welcome. To this end, I have this one. I'm a lawyer. So what I have here is, we are already prepared an agreement. It's called Ambassador Agreement. Okay. Before I mention the amount they're giving it, we are all pleased to announce to everybody that we are also giving him a landed property, and with 500 blocks and a whopping sum of 10 million naira.
Appreciation.
Once again, I'm happy to be here, and Yomi, I'll say happy birthday to you, and congratulations on your new house. What I told you, every year, because I think you do for any another landed property. If you don't know why you are a wonderful soul. You have been one that has been the voice to the voiceless. You have always been there for people, one way or another. You have been my brother since like forever. I was reminiscing on the things that you have done in the past, in my past marriage, and I couldn't help but say you are a true brother. So when my chairman confided in me that you were coming aboard, I told him I was excited about it because you are my brother. So I say congratulations to you. But so on láti share ní nínú owó tẹ́lẹ̀ tó fẹ́ gbà tó ti gbọ́ tó bá share ní ó máa fàjà o gbogbo yẹn máa gbọ́ báyìí o láti lóbi náà ní kóòtù ni o. But I say welcome to the family of Foluke Property. We in Foluke Property, we understand value, we understand debt, and ilẹ̀ káàkiri everywhere. Ilẹ̀ wa dẹ̀ wà affordable gan. When you come and do business with us, I'm a hero in London. How I mean, you can pay small. And when you start paying, it doesn't depend you from starting to build. And ilẹ̀ sẹ́pẹ̀, and it's in Ikorodu, and it's Saja, and it's in different places. And it's in Shimawa, and guess what? You can start building immediately because I think college is the whole thing. So guys, come and do business with us and you won't regret it. I say kudos to my chairman, seated somewhere there, he's a shy person. I don't know what will happen, no will come out. But I say kudos to him, he's a wonderful man, God bless you. And God bless you for doing this for my brother. Once again, Yomi, I say congratulations. And Shola, Bose, thanks for being a friend of the family. Thanks for always being there. If you want to, for me, control láti America.